Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. A few weeks ago, we made this 2x4 Christmas tree complete with concrete base. In that video, we showed you in detail how to make that base. Today, we're going to use the same concrete base to make a PVC pipe flag stand that you can use all year round. Also, a few of you asked how easy it is to take down the tree and store it. Well, here you go. With all the lights and ornaments removed, I unscrewed the pipe cap holding the 2x4 and base together, then removed the lag screws on the sides. It all collapses down, and with a few zip ties and the extra parts attached, the tree's all ready for next year. Now we don't want to just store the base, so let's make a flag stand. First we headed to Home Depot for PVC and connectors. We're using a 10-foot 1-inch pipe, a 2-foot 1/2-inch pipe, a 1-inch T with 1/2-inch reducer, a 1-inch adapter, a 1.5-inch adapter, and a 1-inch and 1/2-inch cap. Mom held the pipes in place and we marked where to cut them. We just picked a size we liked, but you can pick the size that meets your needs. We bought a standard garden flag to get the size of the flagpole. We took the pipes to the miter saw to make the cuts. The pipe can be cut in many different ways, but this is the fastest method we've found. We were originally going to leave the pipes white, so we needed to remove the labels on the pipes. We tried a few methods, but by far the fastest was sanding with 220 grit sandpaper. We spray painted the pipes with Rust-Oleum hammered black. We thought it would give a nice textured effect. We also sealed the concrete base with a clear lacquer. Time to assemble. We're using a PVC glue to secure the long PVC in the bottom adapter. We screwed the 1-inch adapter into the concrete base, then glued the pipe in place. It felt a little unsteady in a test, so we wanted to make sure it was nice and secure. We put a 1-inch dowel in the 1-inch pipe to give it a little bit more stability. Then we added the rest of the connectors. We didn't glue anything else because everything else felt pretty secure. I added the flag and cap, and done. This will be great for my front door, for a welcome sign, or for holidays. We also made a simple chalkboard with MDF and spray paint so we can make our own custom signs. If you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And subscribe right here on YouTube, click the bell, and you'll be alerted to all our latest videos.